Oh, I'm all good.
Well, it's a good one there.
So this is a BenMarco Expressivo. It's a Malbec-based blend. So it has the Malbec component comes from grapes of very high elevation vineyards in the Yukon Valley. Low yields, thick-skinned grapes that have a lot of concentration. And this is a blend that we create a backbone to its flavor profile by blending it with Cabernet Sauvignon, Tannat, Petit Verdot, and Syrah. And what we find is that as Malbec ages, it tends to lose a little bit of length in its mouthfeel and persistence. So that is synergized or supported better with these other varieties. So if they add more complexity, we believe on blending to excel the properties of the different components, as opposed to many other wineries that use blending to hide defects. So we actually blend our wines at the higher ranges of our portfolio because we use blending as a tool to excel the different qualities of the different components, and we take that process very seriously, and it's very labor intensive, but that's something that characterizes our line of work.
The Tannat that's in this, does this come from Salta?
No.
Okay, where's the vineyards at for the Tannat?
The Tannat vineyards come from southern Agrelo region. Yeah. A place called Hualtatari.
And its properties, what does that enhance? Is that bouquet or is Tannat?
Tannat. So Tannat is a very. It's very similar to it. It has a very rough and astringent tannins. If it's not grown, if it can't ripen very well, it needs a very long ripening season to mellow its tannin components. It can be very astringent, very rough. If you try Tannat from the old world, from Europe, Tannat is a very aggressive grape, and is usually used as a very small percentage in a blend, just because it's so astringent, so tannic. But in certain places in Mendoza, you are able to ripen it well and have a good solar exposition of those bunches. You can mellow out those tannins and tame them, and it will give you a very a fruity wine that is that has a lot of length to it in its mouthfeel and persistence. So we usually let the Tannat ripen, go a little bit overripe, but as a blending component, it will give a lot of length to the